and vegetables. Question number 1. Write the names of the fruits given below. What is the first picture? Yes, it's grapes. And the second picture is banana. The third one is cherry. Next, it's orange. And the fifth picture is apple. Next, mango. Can you say what is the next picture? Yes, it's pear. And the last picture is pomegranate. Question number 2. Write the names of the vegetables given below. And the first picture is pumpkin. Next, ladyfinger. What is the third picture? Yes, it's cauliflower. The fourth one is brinjal. The fifth picture is ginger. Next, beetroot. Next, cabbage. And the last one is potato. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. What are the words given in the bracket? Stem, beetroot, flower, root and cabbage. Question number A. Broccoli is a dash of the plant. The answer will be flower. Broccoli is a flower of the plant. Number B. Dash is the root of the plant. The answer is beetroot. Beetroot is the root of the plant. Number C. Dash is the leaf of a plant. It will be cabbage. Cabbage is the leaf of a plant. Number D. Carrot is the dash of the plant. It will be root. Carrot is the root of the plant. Number E. Ginger is the dash of the plant. It will be stem. Ginger is the stem of the plant. Question number 4. Match the following. What are in column A? There are spinach, ginger, broccoli, carrot and tomato. What are in column B? There are root, flower, fruit, leaf and stem. You know that spinach is a leaf, ginger is a stem, broccoli is a flower, carrot is a root and tomato is a fruit. Question number 5. State true or false. Number A. Broccoli is a flower. Yes, it's true. Number B. Carrot is a stem. No, it's false. Carrot is a root. Number C. Cabbage is a fruit. No, it's false. Cabbage is a leaf. Number D. Ginger is a stem. Yes, it's true. Number E. Potato is a fruit. No, it's false. Potato is a stem. Question number 6. Write 2 vegetables of each kind from the pictures given here. And what are the pictures given here? Tomato, ginger, spinach, carrot, broccoli, potato, beetroot, cabbage, brinjal and cauliflower. First, root. What are the examples of root here? Carrot and beetroot. Then, stem, ginger and potato. Then, fruit. What are the fruits given here? Tomato and brinjal. Next, flower. What are the flowers given here? Broccoli and cauliflower. Next, leaf. Spinach and cabbage are the leaves given here. Question number 7. Answer the following questions. Number A. Name any 2 kinds of food items we get from plants. The answer will be we get fruits and vegetables from plants. Number B. Give 2 examples of fruits. And the answer will be mango and apple are 2 examples of fruits. Number Number C. Give 2 examples of vegetables. And what is the answer? Broccoli and potato are 2 examples of vegetables. Number D. Name any 2 plant parts that we eat as vegetables. And the answer will be, we eat stem and root of some plants as vegetables. It's all for today. Thank you.